Yaba munyina machi makwa baby mfa emra bedwam dwumadi so live on Adom TV. DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119. Multi TV de boss on so live so you stream on all our social media platforms. From Facebook to YouTube. Go Facebook and search for Adom TV Extra. Adom TV Extra. YouTube ya Adom TV. Ya comment ho. Ya begina kenka edo ya mabeja fo atena se. Ya betwe enkombo. Ma memfa trim kwa kese enkomfa Market Afram. An old student of Mpensenpensenmu High School. And you promoted to a junior assistant registrar at University of Energy and Natural Resources. Sunyane. So congrats, Kate. Nyame enka on your new position. Yeah, Apaw Wiredu. And we wish you all the best. Happy birthday, so and confirm Malizi. Yeah, what first spoke as we free Kwame Chum. Or multimedia Hanum. Also, we show happy birthday. Nyamisha no nyo kese ko iso be ye kese pa meka se imbu se ba mixture. About ba. Mr. Wada memfanya agudie. Ene yade a eba no se immune system ano ofom kakra be betimi. Se na weda na ye bibie won mama flu bi enenemu no. Unya imbu se ba mixture na timi boost immune system se na be ya. Se pudon kra ba o wi de mu a betimi apro de nyina edi agusti says diabetes, ulcer, cancer, hypertension. Yade ekuni papa wo yememu enno candidates mstroba da oba mentrama ni wani mu asem sanso na body pains oba bosumiso na bunsa na ohuna mane wanu mato untimi endidi wayemre wadura ene imbus herbal mixture oka so police ni no eduro ma ba bi eto ado bia no okwa onsa beka bi ato abayafo atenase ya ebetwe enkomo ona be Collins Adom akomensa eye member of parliament ma adeshia omo Efija kwa abre no. Okay. I come to Kosheba ako no. For a former deputy energy minister. So menua Haron Apaw Wiredu, deputy managing director Edema Metro Mass Transit. Honorable member of parliament Pacho Boko there.
Akufo-Addo.
Ede ya mi ase.
Bia boko.
U feel say aba papa aba.
Oh when me sure say
u feel say aba papa aba.
Haruna I'm just sure so be chechim.
But u feel.
Me say me nua be ma no be chechim.
O constituency for so feel say aba papa aba.
Ba me chiao.
Me joso.
Nene dey kan me share me nua be ma. Deputy managing director of
Metro.
Congratulations.
That's very
me chia me employers. Me say if you just abre for and now mo so na mete ha. Obo me ni ono obo omukoko muti no mo dia femme. Okay. Enti no me chia wo nyina chia wa hwefo so. Ye sure say nkomo no sha ase a ye be dia kwa kire. But for now no dia me chia wo bia.
Aro boko de.
Obo de nyanko
Metro Mass boko.
Oh, nyame adom.
Na wonso ye ka enu a me ba modwuma mu aka den ka me twa videos. Modwuma mo nya kura o. Adai.
Said ya beto no. Obi kan akoya adidia wa beto no. Enti na ye nyina no ya mampani awiata so se obehwe no Metro Mass afanent ma papa efra san se ehodi onye dru dia ya bambu kese na so anida so e wa chiri obi yo ho ebeka chiro se obi se don't mind the body or say mind the engine.
But you see
but
the corporate governance about it in it, you know. So be a baho.
Yes.
No a business. The environment should be welcoming.
Most especially.
The environment should be environmental. A beye wa kono. Eso be raw no makwa business. But if you try namotie virtually.
Yes. Timeno ka say eyadwuma ebra ko animu a yenya investors bia amba be no kwa ba be BOT arrangement. To be see ultra-modern state of the art administration officer na yenya some parking baby ho and as a parking lot ho yenya minimart bi nya de se be ya onu ande beteneka na what you so bibi sa de amay but say na waka no sorry states
enye President Akufo-Addo obesu ada President Akufo-Addo no obesu cause adwempa omugina so de buy ne state no Collins
Hwediem ya de mebra kokoto ho a ebi on de se na mi hunu se sabi na nida ho di aha of course ebi anko besa kra ne
how we say Hwediem masa
ya bo amaso
Odi cooling me down. Started odi cooling me down. But Hwediem di ono beti ba chire chire busa no.
O se Hwediem di ese de. Mo ama super mo anka mu ni pa bia. Me ese de. Ni taba mu krafo.
Oh, ma taba mu for ye. But mama fa ka se fidie kakra kai so. Na ma Ghana ma nyina ache ne behwa adefo nyina so ache. Na ebie mo so so. Mama mi nua so so trinkwa. Sanse ye hia ye. Fiti brand nkunim die kese baaye. I believe say osom na so osom sompa. Omanfo no no sabi. Omodo obekoda.
Okay.
But so wan som sompa na so ojoma ajamu a. Okredu ba bi ho mo so no beti tesko kwa achiro. And I want to believe say na ono so akoye moja foforo yi. Se na me hunu yi die. Wo jidi o se oto aso ye na adwuma yi a ye beboa no.
Okay.
No kure nyame anim eye Hwediem nsensem no. Se na no ada memeda. Yina ye sore ba beti ni esi e Hwediem ni na akoye illegal mining se ne yakandodo na asa galamsey operation no na mamemfa kasafidie kakra iso na memmo NAIMOS for no so abaso papa yi papa na kofareba ni nyina na mebo Minister for Lands and Natural Resource na omampani John Dramani Mahama so abaso esa se NAIMOS nyina no omampani any minister na adisuade hu no na NAIMOS no aba.
Okay.
Na sabiota frache menua me no ogitu mu se baby a adepa obi ya no osan ho.
Okay.
Enkunimdie ana ni da so fi baby ba na sabe ensohwe so etetare ho.
Okay.
Ohwe ne ekọ so na anu ada Hwediem no no kuru Nyankopon anim ani adwene nko baby oman Ghana yaduru no ade a enye ade eye ohwe ne ekọ so na sabiota frache adwuma de sabiu me no ka sei so be adwuma nko a wo Ghana hasa won sabe ko wano a bituma adwuma ma won sa timi akọ wano ba so se de mre hye won sem se man ne nkra na obe ya man ne no ye won hyehye wo famra kwan mu de di kan se na wo winning process no sabe wo do application be Minerals Commission aya o district officer ben o e se kwa the system no ko ya automate no nto de ko na so mo hwem na se wo ho kwa se obi akọkọ ya adwuma no enne aban hyehyeye sabe emo abira ya ma kwan ama akọkọ ya adwuma ne wo de wo se de wasi wo ho kenten se sabe nsu wo be ya adwuma kwa bintu be ya adwuma ba bia nse se obe ya adwuma de a sa ban we nso mfa ho nchewo esan se Ghana man nyina na koto santen eto aba esere se ba bia pesi akyekyere oman Ghana ede oman Ghana ekono enema sabe eye nema ese yinsu a ede da chinchirima abrabo ene omodaache ebeto apee no eyade aye nsososo no mimi hunu se wo ye Ghana ni mapa na so ye Ghana ni asabiota frache wo dwene Ghana wo da Ghana wo sore Ghana ade a enye no eso authority asade we de enye na me share videos ni bi na me hu mrantie asore se mo ni asojafo ebaba bi di sabiota frache Rusi anase friends apinisi ama o hwe ya sojafo no Nyankopon Adom no omu seek refuge the nearest police station videos ni bia me hu ye na mesa bo minister no so abaso na bo IGP so abaso o hwa IGP asmo de abeto abonten say quickly no o stress CID say sa asemu mi nja sa ne mane na obi biara ya che no obi biara ne hungum obi biara se fata se ni dina mranim biara no ese ni dina mranim se Ghana no obi murumra so ye ni shortcut bi e de bo bra se wo de opese prekope wo ye yi ase tam ne aka no de wo de ye nkwa akokoto chacha debida ne wo hwa na muntu aban etu a di mi hia ne sanka Ghana ma ye nyina be sore na nki abo aban na so ebinom so ayo madwene se wo wada no na okobokro no nti me de no kuro Nyankopon anim NAIMOS dwumadi omudi ni operations no no kuro almost abaso bopa yi because wo hwe de to Major Mahama o ka bribia wohwɛ videos no a nokura nyankopɔ anim agye soja ni owa kukuduro agye apolisifoɔ mu akukuduro a wohwɛ videos no ɔmoto sante bo asojafoɔ no ho ban akokɔ wura ɛyɛ wohwɛ Land Cruiser no mu a baabi kura no Land Cruiser 4x4 car na akyi kura no ya de bo ebobo akyire.
That is such as say or zongo hine no car na or the mom no sekia no and I'm so say akyire no
so
now see I say da akukodura fe de mabunu no timinya to face the military na me yem hye kakra ho
na eti na ma kyerɛ wo sɛ me no in all mebo NAIMOS for na baso sabe wo hwɛ ne esi nyina they were still on top of their game. They make sure say omo nsa ka ho wo hwɛ ne mo se saye mranti omu so mugugu omo hankofu nyinara o make sure say sani aso mu die a wacho no nja obiara
ba je omo last minute
eba sabi o tafrache eno nti na ma me gina mu ka kire say me bo IGP abaso say IGP di gina mu say obi biara yeso ni mu for some reasons kroni ye so on be top wa sojafo no because of security situations menu nyina anim say eto da na se wuduru baabi na se wache kwasi ana wache kwame no mamu ni na na se kroni na agibu a isa no nkwanti sojafo no apolisifoɔ nti meka che ose labi janan fra manfa so wo ya ja wo na ma ne nya wadwene se wonya ho tototo
okay
oti hoda wo dem woni abeso awo e bia nya video nya do beto ye ma wo so a e bia na nkran na betima na nte video edu nkran obetima na nte video awa ba ji bill na wo kona sa case ya tam de call the nearest court na judge hwe on the face of the issues na judge ka se kona koda reminder o chana be chance yi intermediate me gina kasafidie so mabo minister na baso okay mabo NAIMOS for no so abaso
so me say what share we ya DC yo a certificate enye wan wa say NAIMOS na tuka ene na mu mo medu hwide mansa no mu se nkofo bi sheponim eye galamsenti enkochi omo
me nua memu a wo ho o hwe Minerals Commission eye the fight against galamsey ya approach na obuni senya baako multifaceted me no ka say bisa say Ghana ha no hwan na ye na dwuma aso be na ye mo dwuma unity be na ye mo dwuma say ye hwe say mine na dwuma no aye no hwan na ye dwuma wo nsuo ho hwan na ye dwuma wo kwaye mu hwan na nsese ba bi o ye dwuma no ye dwuma ye ho dwuma aye inspectorate division of the Minerals Commission inspectorate division of the Minerals Commission obi enim agidi oso nka no kore nemom me no ya dwene ye na Ghana ha Minerals Commission inspectorate division o ma ye amche bisa say when was the last time kura what say yes if we be inspectorate division of the Minerals Commission some bo apro echin hwe me asebe di on sefata say so de afidie so ye adwuma no ye adwuma nya me no tie ye nka no kura nkyere ye ho no kura we DC ya the bus stops with you because I wear district when I wear district security committee chairperson as a chairman I dano anki yesu say bibi biara efa banbo ho yedie enkanko ewo saa mansin no no wona say be hye won sa na me nua me nka no class me nkyere wo sa galamsey fo no ni mo operations a obetimi aye DC na fa ne say wo hwedie mu won say Ahafo region
yeah
who say hon mu nyina no aye Ronisa tropical forest area
okay
kwaye da ho no obetiri the machine akwahye kwaye na chi senya bibi ananya sebe odofo bi e da beti no be yiwa sitira ansa na be hunu say galamsey ya ehye kwaye no mu no na ache
okay so Apaw ne wa say
bazesia no me bo forest commission for so abaso
fachem na
omo create a national dashboard bia omo dey monitor
hwewe
your forest reserves no
ba bia ye ka ho asem
yes
enya afi ne yetu gold ho
yes
it will be a mampani du ko bia no o task is different from KMMyo uni ba bia mampani du ko and unfortunately for mampani say musi ye sheda mfa obi mfiri kumase enko ahafo se koye DC wo honom ye fa omo wo empotem wona it will be tena no catch us say onim se mine be koso e wo sampatem won mu a na bi ni pakro ni no kro emfa nkyere so ba bi anim se mine wo ho e na bia na omo ye galamsey no enye se enne ye ndc ba apo no makoto be from ye galamsey no. So the question is, we DC, I'll buy a winning area near the assurance. A quamba na fasua, or split bambo. More so when the president actually say, this fight I am winning.
Yes.
So what was your strategy to winning the fight with the president?
Also, uti emeka say mo ma twemfo ni bi a kira wo say. Okay. Hwe, ma memfa baby say be Free State region.
Yeah.
But the castle. On what you forest na da no.
Yeah.
On na what you forest, e wadwen say on na mo ho akeke. Bit my catch say Tiwa Forest is one of the biggest forest reserves in Ghana.
Yeah.
Edu baby. Obi di machine kuku shame some years back. I'm a Chinese phobia. Eche papa. And son ye who say na ura inside da. Yes sisi adan ketwa. Omu livu kama. Ba se nye bibi enye good Samaritan se ne aka no. Enye omamba nipa. Ena ebi ameka say okokoko etwaja. Ano akwa na fomu kwan ana bibi no okwokoye osa kwaye num e na obete na obeyi wasutira sebi wo ye DC asebeta frache nidim enye nyema nyina na prekope especially kwa bentro mu a ana sankrofo no mu nsuro hwe o ti de wo kan me na wo ya adwene ne se eye no kore this time no so no ese mo ye intelligence gathering no ye improve no.
Okay.
Se wo ye DC na se wo mpehia so sebeta frache intelligence wo form na se local security apparatus bia na anya ade no ono omu wo sa wosudie papa ne mani bi okwatim nya tip off na unya tip off so ase na waka no aggressively wodi ania den aka se de o mampani aka no uhu na nimu ase ne wo banya ne ase fata
medase Apaw Wiredu deputy managing director at the Metro Mass Transit. Former deputy minister of energy.
I'm not going His Excellency Nana Adom Akufo-Addo.
Oh, okay. Okay. Now when you there?
The Cornhole, Laboni.
Oh, okay.
And we do home a sheno. 80-year-old man. Now Tina Kunyum. Now I mean Dinkomo. Now I cast my mind back before I babe tuaba. Dear, me any ninyanum I can far papa you on the issue of galamsey. Then metinase na me hwede yekoso a we were very, very unfair to Adom. Take it from me. We were extremely unfair.
Na Akufo-Addo
on the issue of galamsey
when it comes to the tenure as president.
We were so unfair, journalists, politicians.
Oh, wow.
The way you're describing Nanado, His Excellency.
And now buying the fight against galamsey.
He was called the galamsey kingpin in this country. To the extent they catch say, ni fear eti, galamsey is going on. These people. Today, my brother say, blame Inspectorate Division of Minerals Commission. Today, we shouldn't blame John Dramani Mahama. Akufo-Addo time, not Inspectorate Division of Minerals Commission. There was no Inspectorate Division of the Minerals Commission. It was Akufo-Addo. Or no, galamsey. He was the kingpin. Today, me say there's an Inspectorate Division on my armchair. Akufo-Addo time, not Inspectorate Division, now Jubilee House. It was in the Jubilee House. How unfair we have been to Nanado. And then, so big catch them say, an NDC member of parliament will lead a mob to protect galamsey. Coming in that.
What deny?
Miss me pacho. There have been 3 statements. 3 statements. Read the police statement. Read the response. Adonko. Read it.
Okay.
It'll be catching me say NDC MP will lead a mob to protect galamsey. Coming in it. Professor Frimpong watching report by me, it was the Bible for them. MPP for Galamsey's. Yantihana, Yenya John, Yenya Sam George. Okay, say if Akufo-Addo was a serious president, now what take West in the very well, and West, no?
Okay.
Or say Akufo-Addo a serious president, on here 2 weeks. Felix on Joy News, Joy FM. Also, there are 15,000 policemen. There are 5,000 soldiers. Akufo-Addo is in charge. On deploy them. Who's in charge now? Who is in charge now? And then the media blaming Inspector Division. But we shouldn't blame the president. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, we shouldn't blame him. But Akufo-Addo, we should blame him. And yeah, His Excellency so or the drones ever fighting Galamsey. Pacho drone away.
Drones, what I'm going for.
Oh, Pacho. Maybe I know one thing.
What do we?
Drone away. What's it here? Yeah, quite na say amfa dan ho a wo say I quite the tene. And then the say o ka say na we do mama dear friend. You are not blaming Mahama for Galamsey. You are blaming Inspector Division. Akufo-Addo time there was no Inspector Division. You have been so unfair to Akufo-Addo. The man was not perfect. Obian Kasa Akufo-Addo was perfect, but the way that we describe it, no, it put him into a certain corner. It's the same with the LGBTQ in some question. Hey, Akufo-Addo paganism. Yeah, the buy, yeah, best sign. Yeah, best sign. Your 11th month. We have been so unfair to the man. And then the Minister of Lands actually letter to the Speaker. If you're a letter, no?
Yeah.
What do you mean to Speaker? Because we are a member of Parliament. You are arrested, no? There's a procedure for a Home Minister to speak to a Speaker to trigger a process for a member of Parliament to be investigated. A NDC MP. So what's the Galamsey that way? She said, MP before the Galamsey. He said, it's assassin. She said, MP before, and now to all say, DC, no, then. Only say Galamsey goes. And that dear, who's that doing? Who said, Nadia, you are trying to pinpoint the DC. But Akufo-Addo time, it was not the DC. It was about the DC.
We talked about the DC.
Satam the DC, it was Akufo-Addo. I feel them person was sharing your mama. What the question DC? He is the president of Ghana. Said the way catch the fellas catch the soldiers no only deployment.
You been what deployment now? NAIMOS near the
Che, Minia. I send me ban and say, and then me can say, "Who's Okasa? Oh, young Kai Humo." It's a national issue. And then Galamsey a national issue. It's not a political issue. A national. Also, we cannot collaborate with Galamseyers to fight Galamsey.
Yes.
When he was told, say, he was asked, say, oh, at the young man come on MPP and this near fight also there be. He cannot collaborate with Galamseyers. Yeah, Galamseyers to fight Galamsey. What is my brother talking about?
Timuzu collaborate.
Them supposed to say Galamseyers.
So they can't draw more support.
He's saying they said we are Galamsey before the election. It won't mean collaborating with us to fight Galamsey. And I don't afford see or mass of free. So who are the real campaigns now? Tell me.
Campaigns of Galamsey.
Who was that?
Oh, so me person me now.
Me say an MP and they are mobilizing mob to protect Galamseyers. And I'm you. MP is where you call. Another senior MP. And the senior MP catches offer for them come NAIMOS for no person no kasa.
Because only Ghana.
Sir. So now the members of Parliament, senior ones, they have the capacity to pick up a phone and talk to NAIMOS to stop the operations. Who catch say obi take flaster fast no where call and no stop Galamsey. Oh, maybe I could. See, the BBI politics, this is the end. And also, oh, maybe I'm going to say, oh, say, I come to a different level. Erasmus, you know who here? Was Range Rovers. Who did you read the statement?
No.
Who read it?
No.
Thank you. Also, the guys involved, they had their Range Rovers, pop action guns, under Muhammad's government. When you Akufo-Addo government, this is under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. The BI their politics will come. Oh, maybe I could do. I think they will say, DC, no, say, Galamse goes, only, I don't know him, or no, DC will come.
So that's what I'm asking. You see, yes, you better deal with the MP. Whatever ADBS, but when you say it's me, I can't say
it's because we DC. It's because we kept politicizing the issues. Me na politics. Me, I'm on record. Me time, you know, I'm saying there because me who the effect of it. Me ma come and so about it, and I've seen me who the many who said the girl I'm saying here. And it's dangerous. So politicizing just to win political power. This is the outcome. This is the outcome. Political party are going to say this idea we impede. Let's stop it. Now you're fighting. You see the difficulty. Those who were accusing Akufo-Addo of being the Galamsey campaign now know say they need all of us to fight the menace. So you to be fan to you collaborating now. You deal with it. So what you first have to do is to apologize to the man. Who am I apologize? Ghanaians should apologize to. So okay, so it's not Ghanaians. NDC should apologize to. Galamsey campaign. Say so near them. Galamsey is long going. Who is the campaign now? I'm to you say. Say you bet me nya NPP. Was it fair? You bet me nya NPP collaboration in this fighter. Or say NDC apologize to. Nanado dan Akufo-Addo. Me as a person, NPP, we are always ready. Okay. I am saying, say, you're careful with our words. You're petumia. You're very careful. And some of you can. And this is the Galamsey politics. No, obeying him some of them within a Ukraine Galamsey guy. And then maybe I do. It has escalated to MPs supporting even Galamseyers against government-sanctioned operations. That is the level of impunity. Meaning, idea. Or can say, what you say, or you calm. Only the idea one can be. Barry?
Let me carry pa. No more reasons why the kind. Now me tell how the Akufo-Addo was neck deep in illegal mining.
Thank you.
Yes, I will tell you.
Okay.
And the same cannot be said about President Mahama.
Hey!
And I can give you reasons. And near my more years,
the person Nanado was neck deep. Who was Nanado Galamsey site?
Who do we are metro?
Who Nanado Galamsey site?
I'm ready Galamsey or Forest Mion of Pabai. And I repeat. Yaba see a trust I'm
rapping with him. Huh? Who can be?
Or said the Abamo.
Hey,
our parliament.
After all the pressure, there be take your time.
No, parliament.
But when that was it was just laid on Tuesday or so last week.
Yes.
After all the pressure.
Commitments.
All the pressure.
We are not doing from Kakra.
So I my message on our Facebook page. Anyway, say, I can say good morning. NAIMOS should deal with anybody who is complicit in Galamsey because no one is above the law. Greetings to Dr. Alaj Mahmoud Bawumia, Honorable Amua Auku, Michael, Ashanti Regional NPP Secretary Hopeful, and Kojo Bamba, National First Vice Chairman Hopeful. Oyibo Boateng, Edward Free Nebehi, Ena Ode Ebae. We say, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama must take action against Honorable Akufo-Addo for letting the Galamsey destroy the vehicles. He should replace it as soon as possible. John Edria, they are also Edebayanum. We say, I'm watching you live. Benjamin is the best. Greetings to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. And bet me, NPP is coming to power 2028. Inshallah. Okay.
Oh.
Number, me ba na.
How Nanado is neck deep.
Yes.
Also be church.
Hwediem Mpensenpensenmu
Okay. So bad.
Say Nanado ye neck deep in Galamsey.
Of course.
Yeah,
So
evidence na Akufo-Addo.
So he need to go through the normal.
From Maraba say obi nkokwa emu go to illegal mining. I'm original chairman ko nyamu license.
For 11 months. 11 months.
Aswa mu go da be chere Ghana for say Ghana for mu hwe. Galamsey na me so for so mu hwe. You go nie. Look, you know what you went through.
NDC under Mohammed's stewardship is indeed making progress in tackling Galamsey activities without facing any major obstacles or fear. Then the controversy surrounding College Dauda and other MPs should be a key test for him. Is he equipped to take resolute actions, or are they leveraging NAIMOS to engage in a witch hunt against the previous government? Ghanaians are keeping a close eye on the situation, particularly with regards to Dr. Brian Champon and Sabalo Say Sarkodiem. Same Boachi with Frasamankes no de by Belgium ye de waba ye ba beto aso. Ufa che ma kwa baby. Okay, this message from 2 p.m. Osi I trust and believe His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and his able ministers to do the job Ghanaians have given to them. I trust in their capabilities. MPP should come on board. Ghana will be better. 2 p.m. You will free Asante Mampong. And or the I don't know. The other also went to President Nana Addo Akufo-Addo is deep-necked in Galamsey.
Me ya me da say. Say ye share dwumadie na ase no. Say na akọ your friend edikan.
Okay.
Na you will need to be able to solve a behavior problem. Unim the antecedents and the cause wa untimi solve the problem.
Sure.
And then yegina ha ama nipa bi nya kokudru ekura forest reserve mu kokoye adwuma.
Okay.
Because Ghana ha no na etia ye mra ebi kransi da say obi dia kokudru so ko forest mu kokoye adwuma. Kofar ba ni nyina e wo ye forest mu kokoye mu adwuma nyina ye adudi adodan kwa Akufo-Addo kuro ya. Okay. Obeka ya yete ha na Ghana for ye sorry anopa. Akufo-Addo, President, former President. O sorry say to me a Ghana my dear man on wagina said to me no so. Obeka ya sabre no. Eye regulation 22. LI 24 eye 62. Ejina so say afede ya makwan say yenyi ye kwaye num baabi emie kwan ma nipa bi ntimi wura mu nkonko ye adwuma. Okay. Ni anim ne say bi otafra che eba ne sen. Ye ko wie mu a say na ekwa akoye a system of crates, loot and share. Eba ne sen. Sana eye tokromu esumwasi dwadie. Ana mampani no egina Ghana matumi so. Ana bie kwaye nu. Wa miemu a mo bia akekewu. Okobiemu ma dead Ashanti regional chairman of the NPP. Eyewura chama wuntumi. Ewie the application kokotumu communal commission. Akwaje akonta mining. The Wura forest reserve mu. Adwuma papa ne ye no Ghana majimu esu se Galamsey na ye okwayem ese yensuo no. Omampani ntu ho anamo. Party ni mpanimfo sanso beso mu di Ghana fo atem. Any mampani ni nyina no a whole regional chairman kwasesa gold no a wa kwasesa free ya kwaye no begina TV so saga na fo moka kura na me ya ne mo gold na manya no manya sika. Okay. Wa open for etikoko bodem. Okay.
Today one of the adansi a woman chest.
Yes.
President Akufo for the deep neck.
Now one ka so akofo mraba so bi nkokwa em konko to gold a konko to illegal. So nkokwa em konko ya
mine. Okay.
Konko mine.
Okay, so Samra we no echo parliament.
What's it?
Echo parliament.
Of course, echo parliament. Not the parliament no other.
Okay, that was ban.
What's it?
That was I think hang parliament in Munon.
Yes, in 2003.
Time I near 137 NDC MPs.
On paper they hang. But who wouldn't him say?
Okay, they hang parliament.
You know one can show me a majority.
Or say 138, 137.
Now 138 where hang.
Okay.
And then minority majority.
And now NDC MPs nizu MPM free parliament.
What's why?
Man work it out.
Forget about no more walk. You are two about 2 and 1 they didn't.
Okay.
Yeah, 2 about. Who could 2 me could 1. One they didn't. Okay. And to the fact some 2 one more doesn't mean some is a bottle. Yeah, 2 about 2 as to say 1. no kura ba ko pe
okay
tisada nko da do etrekese say e na we ba na we ama no obi enum say parliament asemusi ne ye ka ne entimi nya pomasi bra ye to so aba
okay
ye to so aba no be ka ya dia na oyare kura da hwicha mu kura ne apia ne kura ba betam so mra ne on beto aba
sa ai bill we
oh omo kura mu ko parliament ko bia zoro ko tana
o di aso the year 11 e fra o
onya no nko me say
okay
sa bill we
okay
ye nti Ghana ha no mu say e na be ka sa bill the speaker of parliament e be chere MPs o mu ko parliament
okay
now so edu so no the uncle parliament or so oyare da dem onya daje no hwicha ko tra mu kura ko
okay
mamento amasem so ye te Ghana ha Omampani Akufo-Addo, the seat of government, Charles Bisi, presidential staffer, was indicted for aiding and abetting illegal mining. Any sika adamudia no jeje sabre no. Omampani timi pa mo. Wa ohena no pe o. De atosu mienu, onu ankasa ni minister for environment, Professor Frimpong Boateng. De no wabekan. Unyani a whole regional vice chairman Wusi or central region. Ya chinchim Ghana for Mranti ni binsa. Akufo-Addo so Galam say. Acheche excavators more than 500. Ya sorry ya. Ya say excavators in nyanya taban etutu adwane ko. Ya kuma bi efae. Ya nti kromwa. Ti please. My brother, na maka ni ya shase me de minim say ana minim say sa na ote. Oye fine ti ye hode manim ko kochi Akufo-Addo a ene Akufo-Addo ye de obi odi Ghana ma obesi no otifie no odwere no ho nko retirement din mane ma meka ya obium sanfie wotwe no me ogidie se tiefo mo hweye no eye Ghana ya bakwasem in the history of Ghana the worst ever president in the history of Ghana in the fourth republic Akufo-Addo
President Akufo-Addo
I'm telling you
the worst president
of the
fourth republic
President Kabi President open to me odanko dada be okwa waso be ka 2016 o se Mahama se me na me pacha o ayemfo me pa wo cha wo ne me koto wo chira se ase mun se na to me wo unya to me wie ya o kasa o henete wa o se sorry me ba won sorry. That is the level of disrespect and arrogance of power our presidents edibu Ghana man. Yati Ghana na ga Omampani Akufo-Addo ka kire said there will be no haircut. Omampani the bastards with you. Original public statement. Or say there will be no haircut. Forget about the naysayers. Obi ekoko wi esen. Ono ankasa ni on former attorney general.
Okay.
Ekojina lord of council koye demonstration tia na bai. That is the worst.
Attorney general. Chief Justice.
Okay. Former Chief Justice, sorry.
Okay.
One sorry, Tiano. Why want to Ghana? President Akufo-Addo Kabi. Assemble young can you call near Clan. Won't me assemble ye call CID? It goes in. Yeah, wait, come on, Clan. Who presidency? Who have you cash for seats? Yeah, you shall no about fellow Ghanaians. Or Clan. Please. And no, yet. Ghana for so no mu Akufo-Addo amamu anuti na ma oma na katua papa
okay
the worst ever defeats in the history of Ghana mulusu by 1.6 million a total rejection one of Akufo-Addo one has upon his Akufo-Addo the name Akufo-Addo and I believe say na Ghana bakwase when mranti omuzi no Ombeka said never again should we witness leader Akufo-Addo in disguise, very tyrant. Please don't let us go there.
That's really too much.
We say too much. Then you Akufo-Addo
calling the former president tyrant.
I'm telling you,
it's too much. That's what.
Too much.
That's what question.
Please, therefore, maybe you have no idea.
You have
no idea. You can't tyrant. And your tyrant says sabit afracho.
Okay.
Tafracho, do you have a child one tyrant?
Okay.
Shahuchre at a tea. Or bread Akufo-Addo Ghana my firm. Uso mko na ro. Uni mudina na Ghana for no. Hwe Ghana na yeti. Okasa kwa kama oni acho. Okasa ni a transfer do baby GS. Head mistress, headmaster bi na no kwa kasa ni a transfer ka.
That's it. Apaw.
Okasa obi anka bi.
Merasa.
And the man Ghana magina so hu say Saba we never again in the history of Ghana. Me say the fourth republic. Okay. No government has been humiliated. The worst ever.
Okay.
Hey, Akufo-Addo mamu.
But I say Harun, we see, hey, Blaming President Akufo-Addo for your competence, blaming Akufo-Addo for a problem you promised to solve within 1 week, blaming Akufo-Addo for a law that you promised to repeal, but you have rather amended. Upon all the supermajority you have in parliament today, you still blame Akufo-Addo with no shame. Today, Kofi-Buah's constituency chairman is being accused by Adom's resource of engaging in illegal mining. What has happened to him? What has happened to the NDC MP for our win for engaging in illegal mining? President Mahama told the whole country that the Dumso levy was not going to result in increase in fuel prices. But what do we see? Let my brother Harun then know that his government and Ghanaians won't resort, and these rantings won't help. We Efi Techi Mensah, Central Regional Secretary of NPP.
Yeah, you can't get say asem.
Yeah, no.
And mini I say or rebate in some mekai.
Okay.
Or the free Akufo-Addo a tyrant. Akufo-Addo a clearing agent. E dey be no kan. O kan ya ma. O say Akufo-Addo dey. E na o ka chance oh. Afi dey akosoro do.
Tyrant, yeah.
Ti galamse asem na e kan ho asem esa. Eno ane Akufo-Addo a tyrant.
Yeah.
Akufo-Addo galamse asem na e kan.
Yeah.
Minia. O say Akufo-Addo a clearing agent. AG drops charges against former Works and Housing Minister Alhaji Collins Dauda and 4 others. One, Pacho. What's Akufo-Addo a clearing agent? Attorney General discontinues case against all Democracy Hub protesters, including Oliver Baka Vamawo. Government withdraws all charges against former chairman of the NDC, Samuel Opuswampofo, and one other charged with complacency to cause harm on EC chairperson. Attorney General withdraws charges against ex-BOG Deputy Governor Johnson Esiama. State withdraws appeal against Court of Appeal judgment on Dr. Kessel Atto forcing Richard Japa. Former Director General of SNET, Dr. Ernest Thompson and 3 others, freed after AG drops charges against them. Who is the clearing agent? Who is the clearing agent?
I don't know.
You. Osi Akufo-Addo. Ye the case be abeto nanim. Wa drop your money na. Osi obi anya hwe. Mo buy a new 11th month and a third and a fourth. Within that, my claim for 4/6. My claim for 4/6. I have it here. You are aware. Who is the clearing agent? Akufo-Addo 8 years. On 70% of clear, and it was 11 months.
Menchelo.
Oh,
so was Menchelo.
Oh, Pacho.
And the rhetorica.
My main calma se o kasametia.
The whole frame muntin
ya. O kasametia. O tin fivre. O kasametia. Galamse asaba yeka. Akufo-Addo a tyrant. Akufo-Addo say, "Unti so awadia." Me fa she o keshi David.
So also Kochiano.
What na mo buy na mo say we best stop Galamse. That's what you told us. The year who say see ano, it just say a bon airtime. Airtime bra. Members of Parliament defending Galamse. And what's them here? What's Akufo-Addo here or a tyrant? And Akufo-Addo say, and Akufo-Addo DDP, and Akufo-Addo say, and what's them now? And at 14 Timber Parliament, he is enjoying the fruit of the DDP in Parliament. And now, seeing the debt to GDP above from his president himself, how did the debt to GDP come down? Yanya DDP, amankophobia and fire kaya the anchor would have to force him be telling us about the debt to GDP. That's the point. Galamse asema ya kan na Akufo-Addo de mo kafa Akufo-Addo on Galamse no e na mo di we monim na egu ase poto monim na egu ase no wo se Akufo-Addo de maybe by say nko mine no forest reserve enu nti Akufo-Addo is neck deep enya sa mobile parliament mobile bem how many months 11 months if Akufo-Addo just because of a law into or you neck deeper you had 11 months. You have not repealed the law.
So you had 11.
Okay. You've been in power 11 months. What the bills be under certificate of urgency. If it was urgent for you, come on, that. Is Muhammad neck deep? Can I say based on this, is Mr. Muhammad neck deep?
Okay, anyway, what do we hear?
Is Mr. Muhammad neck deep? If that alone makes Akufo-Addo neck deep in Galamsey, you have 11 months. You just came to amend. Can I say Mr. Muhammad is neck deep in it? And once in America say you were very, very unfair to Akufo-Addo during the time, describing him as Galamsey campaign. Ubusane said, then the chest Akufo-Addo is neck deep. Reason of the man say, or the man. Does that mean Akufo-Addo is mining in the forest? And Mayor Yekasiya, constituency chairman, on live television, public accounts committee, local government committee, a DCE on live television.
Okay, good.
It's confirmed that the chairman never is involved in Galamsey on television. On television. Can I then say Mr. Mama is neck deep because the constituency chairman is neck deep in Galamsey? Can I sit here and say Mr. Mama is neck deep because on one kasa member of parliament a protected Galamsey? Yes? Can I say that? Please. Most of us collaborating here solve a problem now. Come clean. And no one's going to make a channel. Come clean. And someone can come clean. That's what's important. But as it stands now, the issue about Galamsey in the air time, and it's getting worse by day. And now, as a central region, how many towns in issue? As I speak to you now, how many towns in our central region issue because Ghana water has shut on pipe down? Member of the energy committee, Yeko Rounds, Gridco is complaining on pylons. People are doing Galamsey under the pylons. Yeko Bui Dam, as I speak to you now, on the banks of the Bui Dam, people are involved in Galamsey, in Bole Bamboy. That is the hometown of the president. What are you talking about? Galamsey is going on the black voter. Do I say Mr. Mama is neck deep? I'm saying someone who can't yet. Am I Ghana for Jimudi here? Somebody you come to fight Galamsey. You are doing the opposite. And it's becoming even so clear with senior members of your party openly protecting Galamsey. And you're America. The main minister himself. In fact, your national organizer has been reported to Iyoko. The Attorney General, your own Attorney General, has reported your national organizer and your national affairs vice to Iyoko on Galamsey. Is Mr. Muhammad neck deep? Is Mr. Muhammad neck deep? And so please, there's some way they say, we not to watch here, Ghana for Ghana way, the can't know. Many sure see bit my say, yes, Ramo, Mama Yemre. Me and I come together to solve the problem. But to continue to blame Akufo-Addo when he has left power after 11 months, it's cheap.
Okay.
Very, very cheap.
Oh, my time is
I said, come is oh,
my time is. Yamen come now.
Oh, sure.
And you man endorse.
So no frame will say,
won't go to the Akaso. Media questions, Yamen will be also Jebra now, share big dream. Adom, then my man,
someone make a chatto. So no, dear. Or no reason I'm a Chinese who are no President Mahama. Or say,
more time.
Yakuba what's that for Frochna? Your uncle will be a biddy from a certain office and a press conference because soon to watch the bedroom combo. Why? If Carl said, Quimby's are they? That's a press conference because what's the bedroom combo? Media questions here, Tibajo, from Quimby's catering. And the crazy 7 numbers, yes, several breakfast white. Number that was screen so for number the said from no more any combo. Breakfast be our pebia, Quimbis, a baby, Eddie amount. Or you may 4 hours, so person breakfast the more. Fred Quimbis is CA, no more several more and family. Apaw Wiredu watching our for Adom TV, Accra.